Morning, guys. Today we're going to take a look at page 3 of the Unit 4 Classwork packet. Now, as we discussed earlier, parallel lines are two lines that never intersect. Okay? Let me say that again. There are two lines that never intersect, but I want to add one more thing. And they lie in the same plane. Two lines that never intersect and lie in the same plane. If we want to show that two lines are parallel, the symbol that we're going to use, okay, or that what we're going to use on a diagram are two arrows. If we're using it in a statement though, for example, if I call this line A and this is line B, the notation that I would use is as follows. A, and then this kind of like double hockey stick kind of thing, is parallel to B. That's what that means, okay? It means parallel. Now, two parallel planes are two planes that never intersect. So, for example, let me just take one of my magazines here, okay? Here's a magazine, and notice they're right on top of each other, right? They never intersect, all right? They have no points, or in this case, no lines of intersection. You don't need to know symbolic notation for that. You're not really going to be asked too much about that, okay? Skew lines, okay, this is an interesting one. Skew lines are two lines that never intersect, and they lie in different planes. Let me say that again. Skew lines are two lines that never intersect, and they lie in different planes. Let me show you what I mean by that, okay? Here are two markers. All right, we can approximate them as lines or line segments. Take a look at them. Do they touch? Obviously not. Will they ever touch? No, because they run past each other in space, and that's what skew lines are. They're simply two lines that run past each other in space. The formal way of describing those, of course, would be to say that they're two lines that are that never intersect, but they also don't lie in the same plane. Okay, so if you guys are taking a look at the diagram there, okay, the like weird rectangular prism looking thing, some examples of skew lines might be something like TU and QR, right? Because those two run past each other in space. They're never gonna touch. Or perhaps PQ and VU, right? Because again, they run past each other in space, but they're not in the same plane. Or perhaps WT and SR. Like there are a whole bunch of examples, right? But the bottom line is skew lines, not in the same plane, and never intersect.